Okay, so we've already done row 1. We've done row 2. We're moving on to row 3. So again, I have my circle tracer and I have my pencil. And I'm just going to keep doing like what we were doing for the first 2 rows to make the row 3 is kind of, position it where it's a little bit overlapping the other row before it. And then I'm going to trace my circle around. Okay, so there's one. Then I'm going to do another one here for that row 3. Then I'm going to add the toppers. So again, the rectangles, and then the hook. And then I'll do the same thing for this one here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do for row 4. So I have, first row, second row, third row, and you notice I went from 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first row. I went 3 in row 2, 1, 2, 3. Then I went to 2 in row 3. So now, to kind of keep with that pattern, going from 4, 3, 2, I'm now going to go to 1. So up here at the top, my little, call it pyramid, a little pile here. I'm going to go back in and trace around my circle tracer to do my top bulb here. Okay, and then I'm going to add my topper for it. So I'm going to do my rectangle, and then my hook. Okay, so you can kind of leave them plain because some bulbs are plain. They're just kind of single color. Okay, or if you noticed earlier whenever I was showing you the examples of what a bulb looks like, you can see that some of them have like some decorations to them. Okay, so like this one's got some circles and then some stripes going across. There's some zigzags in there. This one's got some swirls in it. This one's got some like Christmas trees, almost look like Christmas tree cutouts. And then it's got some stripes along the top and along the bottom. This one, it's got kind of like some stripes in there too. They're a little more curvy. And then it's got stars and circles and like diamond shapes in there. So if you want to decorate your bulbs, now that you have them all drawn, you can leave them blank and just start painting them all single colors, or maybe half and half different colors, or you can go back in and add decoration to them. So like maybe for this one here, since it's kind of in front of these two, maybe I want to add say that swirly pattern. So I could start to make a swirl going up. I could go back in and kind of like outline that. Okay, and then I could add another swirl coming in from this angle. Outline it, and then just keep filling it with swirls. Okay, you could do something like that. Maybe for this bulb. So I want to do stripes. So because a bulb is round, you don't want to do those stripes straight across. You want to do like a curved line to keep that round sphere ball-like shape. So I'll do a stripe going that way, then maybe, do another one for the bottom, do it that way. Maybe this one up here, maybe I want to do like some polka dots. Okay, you can find a smaller circle tracer if you want to keep them all consistent, or you can just kind of eyeball it. Just make sure that you have, like, where they start connecting and kind of are being overlapped by other bulbs, that you're able to continue that pattern off the edges. So you'll probably see some whole polka dots, but you'll also see some partials. Okay, so there's that. And then just kind of keep going. I wouldn't do anything too intricate or something too small of detail, because we're going to end up painting these with your watercolor. So get your bulbs drawn, get at least, 3 or 4 rows, depending on which way you put your paper and how you place them. It might be different. But get your bulbs drawn, okay? Get your circle tracers traced, and then get the toppers done with the rectangles and the hooks, and then maybe go back in and decorate some. You can decorate all of them, or you can kind of leave a couple blank. That choice is up to you.